Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Certainly feeling like fall out there today, and there are a few folks taking the walk along the pier from time to time, but for the most part, the beaches are a pretty quiet place today. Easy to see why with gloomy conditions out over the water. Notice how calm it is, thanks to a wind out of the east, but we are continuing to see that drizzle hanging around. Not visible using just our regular radar. We have to turn up the sensitivity to be able to see the low-level moisture, and there you can see it across most of the Grand Rapids area especially, but it looks like it's likely taking place even in areas where the radar isn't showing it, at least from time to time. Steadiest precipitation, though, as of now, looks to be on the eastern side of Kent County into western Ionia, over towards Saranac, down toward Middleville. That's where we're seeing the heaviest drizzle at this time as low-level moisture continues to hang around. Pretty evident here from our Grand Rapids camera looking south. You see the low clouds around, and we were looking at the Gun Lake camera just a minute ago, and you can't even see the ground. The clouds are low enough to be below the camera, so it is certainly a very fall-like day out there, and we're not expecting sunshine today. What we are expecting is some of this moisture to continue hanging around through the rest of this afternoon, likely not going to come to an end completely. We may get a break this evening, but as we head into the overnight, we'll continue to track the chance for a few sprinkles, especially closer to the lakeshore after midnight into early tomorrow morning. So inland locations may get the chance to dry out, but even into the day on Friday, it looks like moisture is going to be hard to get rid of completely until we get into later Friday. Just that time of year where it tends to be stubborn, that leads to more cloud cover as well, as this low continues to very slowly drift off to the north. So the steadiest rain is now moved on, but we're going to continue seeing some lingering activity. Rainfall amounts range from about a quarter to half inch in most locations. Holland and Muskegon both picking up a little more than a half inch. This is about what we expected. Not expecting to add on to these numbers much, with the rest of the precipitation that's on the way being very light. You can see the center of the low down toward the southern end of Lake Michigan, and that is wrapping around, having an impact on temperatures. It's 46 in Grand Rapids, 47 in Allegan, 50 in Kalamazoo, and that's about where temperatures are expected to remain this afternoon. Now, as we look ahead into the weekend, we're tracking highs pretty consistently in the low to mid 50s, which is above average for this time of year. We're tracking another rain chance on Sunday, but the big story is likely going to play out next week. An early look at the temperature pattern, if we start this on Sunday, shows pretty significant system beginning to roll into the Great Plains especially. Now, the exact location of this system is going to be a key player, and if we have the chance of seeing snow toward the tail end of next week, this model certainly seems to think that at some point we'll get some cool air to wrap into this system. If so, there's a non-zero chance we could see our first snowflakes try to mix in. Now, the first part of the system into the middle part of next week has been trending warmer, so that would lend itself to more of a rain scenario than snow. But just the temperature outlook shows that we're not seeing the full dark shades of red anymore, which means we may be beginning to transition more to a winter-like pattern in the extended forecast. 8-day has highs consistently in the 50s, with our best chance of sunshine coming Saturday and Monday. George and Sue.